All right, this is Lively Fine Furniture here at the Hood River Harvest Market, and so tell me about like all the products that you got, and like how's it made? What type of wood is it? And
well, most of these tables that you see here are black walnut.
the black walnut.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Some mahogany in there with the inlays and stuff. Maple, lazy Susans, cribbage boards.
Okay.
On the shelves across from you, we have rolling pins. Boxes.
Okay. And these are cutting boards or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a sushi board down there.
A sushi board.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Nice. And is it even the chopsticks? Is that also black walnut or?
No, that's poplar and mahogany.
Okay. Okay.
Wine rack, of course.
Wine racks.
Yeah.
And how long have you been working?
I've done this since I was, 15, 16 years old. I've been working with
Oh, you
wood.
have. Okay.
I'm a contractor by trade,
Okay.
so I've always dabbled with wood pretty much my whole life. So
Nice.
yeah.
Nice. Well, I love the products. They're all like really well done and very finely finished. The boxes here. Wow. Yeah, I can feel how incredibly smooth that is.
And all the inlay is cut by hand. So
Oh, is it?
yes, so
Oh, wow.
nothing's done by laser or CNC. It's all done by hand.
Okay. Good deal. And where can they find you if somebody wants to check? Do you have a website or?
Yeah, we do. We have a website which is livelyfinefurniture.com.
Livelyfinefurniture.com?
Yep.
Okay. And where are you based out of?
Hood River.
Hood River.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, good deal.
Yeah.
So you're local here.
Yeah.
All right. Well, cool. Well, thanks for allowing me to ask a few questions. And again, I'm here at the Harvest Fest 2021, and this is the Lively Fine Furniture.